Department.
Hello, just to let you know that four of the helpers of the governing body are opening up my emails. I've sent 4,000 emails off to the elders because I know your email format. So basically, you are going down in October, mate. And I am telling the truth. I am Jehovah, by the way. So how would I break into your email system at Watchtower, mate?
How would you break into?
I know every email format, data protection office, jwlibrary.org, conventions and everything. So I'm telling you, the helpers are opening up. There's Paul Gillies. There's what's his name? What's the legal person? Philip Brumley, you know him, top legal person. Serenko, Robert Serenko, the actual president of the Watchtower Society. He's reading my emails. They keep opening up. The others reject it. Right, but I'm sending more out now to show that my son Jesus is is Jesus Christ in the flesh. Why don't you go have a look at my YouTube channel, JEHOVAH'S, HACCHE, and educate yourself. Write the name Jehovah down, then write my name, James Hashe, J Hashe underneath it. Move the CC up to the OV, and Jehovah now reads Hashe J backwards.
Interesting.
Right.
Can I transfer your call?
So I'm not joking, mate. Watchtower are in a turmoil. Once I've set those emails out to one elder, I've got I've got a list of 500. Listen, I've done 500. Yeah. Listen, you're rejecting Jehovah again, are you? Oh my God. Oh, they're scared. They are running scared, Watchtower. Oh dear. This is what I mean by serious mental illness of Jehovah's Witnesses. Cognitive dissonance. They can't believe that the Watchtower is Babylon the Great and they're in a cult. Oh, welcome to reality, Chelmsford Bethel. Is that it?
Hello?
Hello? Oh, you're back again.
Hello, can I say speaking, please?
Have I just spoken to you?
Not this morning. Your call's just been put through to me. How can we help you?
Oh dear. Well, I don't know, but well, basically, four helpers of the governing body. Robert Serenko is the chairman, is the president of Watchtower Society. Paul Brumley, legal team, general counsel. Paul Gillies in the coordinators committee, and for German one, I can't remember. They're opening up my emails now, and even the one about the Shroud of Turin and my Joshua being Jesus Christ. I'm Jehovah, by the way. If you write down Jehovah and J Hashe underneath my name, James Hashe, and move the CC up into the OV of Jehovah, read it backwards. What does it say? Hashe J. So even Jehovah's name and my name, J Hashe, are interchangeable. So who do you think I am, brother? I've sent 4,000 emails out to the elders because I've broken into your email system and format. They've already gone. So you can guarantee that one elder will start discussing it because it's such a powerful email about the Great Tribulation. Do you know what the Great Tribulation is?
Mr. Hashe, is there any reason why you called the legal department? Is there anything we can help you with at all? Or
You're in shock, aren't you? The Great Tribulation, by the way, is a stock market crash and a financial collapse, which the governing body are not preparing you for, are they? What does it say about putting your trust in men, my brother? Do not put your trust. Are the governing body men or are they prophets?
Okay, so there's nothing you want from the legal department?
Oh, I'm taking you down in October, and this is being recorded, so I know exactly who you are. So you're going to have for the high jump. You're not getting into paradise, my friend. How'd you like that? That's how scary you are rejecting me. Are you hiding child abuse? Is that the problem? You don't listen. What's going off down there? Is there a paedophile ring at Bethel?
Yeah, I'm going to end the call now, but
you're in trouble. You'd rather lose your life in paradise than not get into it. 4,000 elders have now got my emails. The governing body, I know their email addresses. All 6 of them. There was a blood moon on the 5th of August, brother. Are you listening? Oh dear, what is... You just... I cannot believe the mental state of these people. Anyway, this is going on YouTube now, so you better listen to all of this because it's brilliant. Classic. Bye for now.